Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's the Cakey Duck here. Today I'm making this beautiful cake. It's chocolate cake, 3 layers. It was actually supposed to be a smaller cake, but I'm just someone that I don't really like small cakes. So when after putting the second layer, I just felt too small, so I just added an extra layer. Because taller cakes look more beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So that's me just doing the crumb coating, and I use the Swiss meringue buttercream, which I've already done a video about, so go check that out. It's a very delicious, buttercream. It's not grainy and it's very silky and smooth. You can use that to crumb coat. You can use that for your final coat as well. So that's me doing that here. So I got that board. So it's actually a cake box that comes with the board there from Cake Me Away, and it's sturdy, and I'm actually loving it because it serves both as part of the cake box and the cake board, so I don't have to use a separate cake board. So that's very great. So that's me now finalizing the crumb coat, and I pop it in the fridge once I'm done, and then I bring it out again after that from the fridge to do the final coating. So I'm putting my dowel in to stabilize it at the middle there, and now I'm gonna use ganache to the final coating. Reason being that the weather is warm, and even though Swiss meringue of course is stable, but with hot weather the cake needs to be refrigerated all the time. If not, it's gonna be very soft, and I don't really trust that my customers would refrigerate the cake all the time. Some people leave it out, and so yeah, so for a more stable thing, ganache. So this pattern thing I'm doing there is what I had in mind before, but as you can see, ganache is something that you have to work very quickly with, or it will seize up. So because the cake was cold, trying to do that, it was just a mess. So but then there's nothing that cannot be fixed. So I had to fill it back up again and do something different. And that's how it is with life. Even if you feel like there has been a mistake in your life, the good thing about this is that your creator can fix it all up. And even when he's finished fixing it, you wouldn't even know that there was any mistake made at all. So that's one thing I took away from this actually. When I was doing it, I felt it just came to me that, oh, okay, it's as the same thing. Any mistake that I've made, my creator can fix it all up, and it wouldn't look like anything happened. And that is exactly what happened here. I just cleaned up all that mess and fixed up all the holes and all that. And if you see how it turned out, you wouldn't even know that any such mistake occurred. And that's the good thing about working with ganache as well. It's quite easy to fix up um you know parts that are not good. So yeah, so that's the ganache all fixed up. Now you can see how smooth it is. It doesn't look like what it went through, right? So I'm now just making the edges sharp, and yeah, that color is lilac. I got it by mixing up color hot pink, and color purple, and I used color meal for that, and that's how it gave me this beautiful color. So it's actually a stitch themed cake. Yeah, I forgot to mention that it's a stitch themed cake, and that's why I'm using that color, and I'm just adding these sprinkles at the bottom there. It's for a 7-year-old girl child's birthday. Yeah, And so that the best way to put those sprinkles, you know, if you dip your hand in water a bit and just make your hand a little bit wet, and then use that to touch the sprinkles, and then just add that. So that is, you know, makes it easy to apply. So you can see my stitch edible image. So I just put that at the top there, and yeah, that's it. And then I'm just piping a shell border with a blue color steel ganache, steel ganache based, and that's it. That is the, yeah. So you see the cake board, you know, the cake box rather, and it's so beautiful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.